Hello, welcome back to Food and Nutrition Expert channel. This is still JS2 Home Economics. So our topic today is clothing repair and patching. Clothing repair and patching. So what is darning? D-A-R-N-I-N-G. Darning is the process of mending or repairing a knitted or woven article by wearing thread into the fabric to replace or strengthen torn or worn threads. Now, simple garment repair. Garment repair. What is garment repair? Garment repair is the process of mending the clothing article. Garment repair is just the process of mending clothing article. Garment repair is important for the following reasons. The reasons why garment repair, why it is good for us to repair our clothes when they are torn. Thus, garment repair is important for the following reasons. Number one, it helps to prolong the life of clothes. Number two, it saves money. Number three, it keeps the wardrobe tidy. Number four, it gives the clothes and the wearer good appearance. Number five, immediate repair prevents more damage. Different types of garment repair. We have different types of garment repair. Number one, loss or worn fastenings. Like when one button is lost or that buttonhole is very loose. So that's lost or worn fastening. Example, buttons and buttonholes. Number two, cuts or loose elastic band. Whether the elastic band has cut into two or is loose, it's no more holding the waist the way it's supposed to hold. So we can repair it. Number three, loose or split seam and undone hems. Loose or split seam. Like now, the edges where the clothes were sewn with the sewing machine, all of a sudden that side, the thread are now loose, that the clothes is torn by that sewn side. Loose or split seam and undone hems. The hems, like the downside of the dress, those side that is folded to make the edges neat. That's the hem, or the hem of the trouser if it's loose or split. So guidelines for darning. I've defined darning in the beginning. So guidelines for darning. Number one, choose a suitable thread which matches the garment in color. When you want to darn, you have to choose a suitable thread that will match the material in color. Number two, work or dance on the wrong side of the article. Work or dance on the wrong side of the article. Number three, use a long fine darning needle. Use a long fine darning needle. Number four, ensure that the darn covers the tear or hole. Ensure that the darn, when you are darning, make sure that the sewing that you're making covers where the place that is torn, or it covers the hole. Types of tear or cut. What are the types of tear or cut? Darn a tear or cut. A tear can be on the straight grain or across the grain. So the cloth can tear straight or it can tear across. The clothes can tear at the straight grain or it can be slanted, tear across grain. Number two, edge tear darn or L-shaped tear. The clothes can tear in the edge, on the edge, or it can tear at L shape. Okay. Patching. What is patching? Large holes or worn areas are difficult to darn. They should be patched. When a clothes, the hole in a cloth is big, it will be difficult to darn, to be sewn straight or across. So the best thing to do to those clothes is patching. We'll have to get another material, another fabric of the same type of the torn dress, and then cut the shape and replace the hole, the big hole. Okay, what is patching? Patching is the process of replacing the worn part with a piece of fabric. Now we have types of patching. Number one, print patch. This is used for printed and patterned fabric and outer garments. Print patch is used for printed and patterned fabric and outer garments. We use print patch for patterned fabric and outer garments. Then number two, we are still on types of patching. We have calico patch. This is the strongest type of patch because it has two sets of stitching. The stitching used to hold the patch down onto the garment. It is used for mending household linen, such as bed sheets and pillowcases, tablecloths, and articles without printed designs. Darning is a sewing technique for repairing holes or worn areas in fabric, or knitting using needle and thread alone. It is often done by hand, but it is also possible to darn with a sewing machine. So this is the end of this particular note on clothing repair. Your assignment is design an Ankara material with bead. You can use fabric gum and do this. See you in the next class.